All right, gang, welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everyone had a fantastic day today. It was pretty hot down here. Weather was blazing today, but I hope everybody stayed cool and had a great day. And yeah, let's dive right in. Let's just take a look at the charts here and see where we're at. Looks like gold was moving down all day today, so let's start off on the weekly time frame and get our markups ready and see how it's looking. All right, so we're going over the weekly time frame. As usual, we mark up our highs right here. Let's mark up our support levels, right? And wow, we tapped right into that support level, slightly rejecting, but so far extremely bearish on the weekly. We closed below here at the end of the week. We are driving down. This is our next target down here. Been calling that for a while now. We're driving down this way. So yeah, we're gonna get a big drop down to this range down here, and we break that, then yeah, we're coming down all the way down here. But one thing at a time, right? Let's see we get this break at the end of the week, or is this thing gonna bounce and probably flip bullish? You never know. All right, but that's what we got on the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily, we had a daily bearish closure on the daily. We do have our highs up here, and this is the current support now. So this is our support level on the daily. Was tested down here a few days ago, and now we're coming down. I feel like we're probably still gonna test this here. You know, we closed bearish. This could be a top wick on the daily before we flip here. So we, you know, but if we come down and test this level, it's around that 2284 range, 2285. I feel like we'll come down here. We close below on the daily here. Again, we're driving down. This is our next target. This clean traffic coming all the way down. So let's see. Are we going to reject this level here and bounce all the way back up, or are we going to break below? All right, so that's what we're looking at right now. And of course, the 4 hour, right? 4 hour is a lot. Price action was really good on the 4 hour. Let's take a look. Let me zoom out a little bit. All right, so I just want to mark the levels up here. So we have some key levels. Let's go with the high up here. We got this level here. And then we have our lows down here. All right, so this is where we are now. We did tap into this level here, got that top wick and dropped down, and we've just been diving. So we got this nice impulsive move. We got the correction, retested the level, and then drove all the way down. So we're kind of consolidating here, but let's see if with some volume, are we going to continue to push down, or are we going to bounce up and you know, take out the previous 4 hour highs and make a push back up, maybe retest this level down here. All right, so we might come back up to test that 2320 range, 2321, right around that price area there, and come back down. So I'll leave that level there just as a point of reference, but I want to see if we're going to come down and break below. If we break these lows, it's gonna drive down. All right. So for now, let's kind of hang tight here, and let's see if we get some possible entries tonight during Asia. We usually get some volume right around that 9 o'clock candle. Once this candle closes in about 31 minutes, we should see some volume and see if we're going to get pushed down or we're going to get pushed up. Hold on one sec. Let me send this out. All right. All right. In the meantime, guys, coming back to it, let's check out. Let me move this out the way. I want to check out the NASDAQ, see where we're at here. All right, now we're trickling down. Yeah, so again, last analysis, I had this support level marked up here. came close to breaking below, but this candle failed to do that, and it just kind of bounced back up. So it came into this resistance level here, right with this previous one here, dropped down, came back, retested, now it's flipping back down. So again, this is our key support level. So I would assume a break of this level right around here in what is it, 19, 529, 530. We get a closure below here, we could take a nice sell down on NASDAQ and drive all the way down to fill this range. Clean traffic all the way down. So this is a very important range here. We just got to wait for the breakout here. So let's see what happens with NASDAQ, or is this thing gonna flip back up and take out the highs and then push up to fill the top of this range over here, which is about the all-time high. So we'll go back to 20,000 plus. All right, so that's what we have there on the NASDAQ. I want to look at let me look at Euro USD. I had that sell yesterday, even though I jumped out slightly early. See, I had it marked up this level here. Closed with small profit only because it wasn't moving much right before my stream ended. But we have let me remark these levels now, redo this. So we're on the 4 hour here, and I'll mark this high right there. We wicked right at it there, so that's a resistance level there, and our support level I think was broken here, was it? Yeah. All right, so very interesting here on the Euro USD. So we had this support level here on the Euro USD. I'm trying to move this thing out of here. Can we move that out the way? There we go. Okay. Yeah, so we did break below, made this bottom wick for this previous 4 hour candle here, came up, retested. So we're getting rejected here at this level. So we might get a drive down. What's the range on this here? All right, we have one level down here. Let me mark these as I go, because I wanna. And then we got this low down here. Yeah, we might get this is about, from the current price, I guess about another 30 pips down this way. But if we drive down here, you know, we got nearly 100 pips on the way down here. So yeah, Euro USD looking to come down. We do have these long wicks that were made and respecting this support level here, but we finally got a candle closure below. So once we close below, that's a good sign that we're going to continue to drive down. So I'll see, maybe if we re-break these previous 4 hour lows, I might look to sell this down, at least at the bottom of this range here, grab those 25 pips on the way down. But let's see. Let's be patient and wait. I want to see how this next candle is going to close. If we close bullish, it might be making a little minor support level here and probably try to push back up. But let's see. Let's see. All right, that's what we have on Euro USD. And yeah, gold. We got to wait here. Not much to do here, but wait. Gold looking to push up. If it closes bullish, it'll be interesting, because it could start forming this little support level here and start pushing back up, make an attempt to come back up to tap this level up here again, which wouldn't be so bad. I think that would be, you know, this break, then it'll come and retest and then drive down. So we have opportunities to catch an entry around this level here, and then it should come back down and break below. All right, gang. So let's hang tight. We got 25 minutes of this candle closure here. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Meanwhile, I'm watching the what is it, Subway Series here, the Mets and Yankees. So I'm wearing my Met hat today. See if we can take this game tonight. We're up 3-0. Mets are winning right now. Bottom of the 5th inning. You want me to? I can check U.S. oil. Somebody's asked me to check U.S. oil here. Okay, let's take a look at U.S. oil. I have it here on my watch list. I think so. Where I put it? Here it is. Oof. Yeah, look at that. U.S. oil is pumping. Let's take a look. Let's wow, I must have had an old mark up here from a while back. I haven't touched oil in a long time. Let's see. Let's look at the weekly on this first. I want to see what it's looking like. All right, well, we got a couple of the last 2 weeks has been bullish after making this drop down here. I'm gonna look at these highs right here, the immediate, so right around that $91 mark for U.S. oil, and our lows. I'll mark these lows right here. All right, so we're kind of in this range right here, and as a matter of fact, yeah. All right, that's a better stop. We have this support here, tested here as well, wick through it here, closed above. Yeah, so it's ranging right around that $66. Wow, it's a big range though, super big range. All right, so for U.S. oil, off the weekly, no bottom wick on this weekly candle about 2 weeks ago. So we'll see if it's gonna retest these highs and reject, or it's gonna come and tap up here. As far as oil, well, maybe off the weekly, you know, I would say you would have to wait for that break of 91 to ride it back up, and yeah, that's a big range up here. The next target will be 120 on U.S. oil if we break above 91. But let me drop it to the 4 hour. Take a look at the 4 hour here. Off the 4 hour, we might be able to identify a better entry. So we have this support level here, resistance level, sorry, and then we have this support here. So if you're looking at oil, it's been kind of consolidating here for the last couple of days, as you can see here. So I would say a break above, break above about $82 would be good for U.S. oil. Current 4 hour, which it's often like on a different time frame, because this one closes in an hour and 20 minutes on the 4 hour for oil. So I would expect this has no top wick, so it's coming down. It might bounce off here, and we might get a flip. So if I was looking at oil, I would be taking buys on oil if this candle reflips bullish. So come up, make a top wick, and then I think we'll drive up and retest this level up here. So yeah, you can catch, you know, those 100 pips on the way up. So that's what I see on U.S. oil at the moment. If we do break below and get a closure below, see these candles all fail to close below. So we got these wicks, pushes up, close above. This one tapped, this one broke below, flip bullish, you know. So if you're paying attention to it, it's kind of close to the support line. If we do get a push down and get a closure below, then you're looking at these ranges down here. So it can come down to 79.25 or all the way down to 77. So that's what I see on U.S. oil. I'm personally not looking to trade it, but for those asking, that's the move I would wait for. A break of 81.75 or a closure below this support level, below 80.46. You get a closure below there, you can write it down to, you know, 77, 79.5 or so. So that's what I see there on U.S. oil. let's focus on gold here now for the time being. All right, 19 minutes, guys. Let's be patient and wait here and see what happens. Bam, if you're tuning in, make sure you don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button there. Support the channel. Man, we drove right down to that support line and wick back up, and then we kind of lost momentum there. We got this nice closure here, retest. We got the wick up with the flip bearish, and then we got that whole move down this morning. Very nice price action on gold. But is this move over? Is it over here? And is this going to be the point of recovery for gold? We haven't really had we had this drop here. This was the correction to that move. We got this next impulse. So I would expect especially after rejecting this level, it's possible that we can get a move back up, maybe come up halfway the range here, or come back and retest this resistance here around 2320 and then get the bounce back up. If that's what I look at tonight, if that's what I see that is looking to start moving bullish, I would look for entries at the high of the range right here. I'll take a chance here to take a sell, because more likely than not, we're gonna reject this level. I really think gold is gonna move down much further. Hey, Mets scored another run here. Oh, snap. Man, Mets are looking good tonight. Yeah, for those guys that are tuning in now, we're just waiting for this 4-hour closure here and see if we're gonna make a move on gold, or are we just gonna wait for candles to print. If this candle closes bullish, I'll see if we're gonna break these highs here to take a quick buy up, or if we close bearish, then I'll look to see if we're gonna come down and well, first I would look for a top wick, and then at the break of the lows I'll take a sell down. That would be my move, but we have to wait for these candles to print first. Oh, we got a rain delay in the mech game. Well, it is what it is. Yeah, bearish closure here on this 4-hour will be good. Then I'm definitely gonna be looking for some sell positions here, even if it's to fill the rest of the range down this way here. You know, we can catch 70 pips on the way down here, but I will have to wait and see. We already broke the previous 4-hour lows here, I guess, early in the candle opening, but not enough volume to drive it all the way up. So let's see if we close bearish. I'll have some positions ready. Yeah, tomorrow we have some news. Tomorrow we have GDP growth. I think I mentioned this yesterday. So this is the forecast. Is they're expecting it lower than the previous. So let's see if that comes in. That's to me gonna be bearish for gold, because that's I'm sorry, bullish for gold. I should say bullish, bearish for the dollar. So if this comes in as forecast, if it comes in higher, especially higher than the previous, comes in at 3.4 or 3.5 or higher, good, gold is gonna freaking tank. All right, we got less than 5 minutes. Well, 4 minutes, 20 seconds. I want to see how this candle is going to close here, and then we'll decide what we're going to do. Let's see if there's any. I want to check if there's any news or what is it on London. There's a red folder for the GBP. So yeah, we got some news in oh, actually the what is it? The Governor Bailey, the Bank of England. They'll be speaking at 5:30 in the morning. There should be a little volatility. But we got news tomorrow, 8:30, unemployment claims, and the final GDP. So let's see. This is gonna be big though, and we got some orange folders at 8:30 as well. So there's some news coming in, but unemployment claims is the key here. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. Yeah, they're expecting 236,000 for unemployment claims. So let's see how that report comes out tomorrow. So that'll be 8:30. Then we have pending home sales at 10 a.m. So yeah, so we definitely have some news kicking in New York session tomorrow. So yeah, we'll be ready. All right, this thing flipped bullish again. Yeah, let's see, we're gonna get a bullish closure here. Then we'll see what we're gonna do. How does it look on the 1 hour? Might start forming some like little flag pattern here. Something like this. We'll see. It might. This is a bearish flag pattern, but it could break above. Let's see, it's running out of room though. I'm gonna keep trickling, but it's gonna break to the downside or break to the upside at some point. So we have that going for us tonight. Let's see how it plays out. All right, 1 minute, chat. Let's see. It closes bullish after breaking the previous 4-hour lows. This thing could want to drive up. All right. Yeah, we got 30 seconds. All right, so look, this is what I would do here. So we close bullish on this candle. I'll wait for, if we rip down right away to make a bottom wick first, I'll have buy stops at the break of the previous 4-hour highs here, and we'll ride it up. But we'll see how it opens. If it makes a top wick first, then we'll be patient and wait to see if we're gonna break below this level. If we come down first, make the bottom wick, I'll have buy stops at the break of the highs here. Then we'll have some volume as well. So let's pay attention here and see what's gonna happen. All right, so we had a candle closure. Yeah, we closed bullish here. All right, let's see. Are we gonna make a bottom wick first, or we're gonna push up? Ooh, decided to push up first. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna break the highs first, or is it gonna flip down? Still there. Waiting for a bottom wick here first, before breaking the highs though. If it breaks the highs first, then we'll stay out and be patient. Let's see what it does. I'm keeping an eye on the highs here. Let's see first. We need this bottom wick. If I make the bottom wick first, and we reflip, we should be good. We did make a top wick here, so let's say it's possible this 4 hour can come down and, you know, just clear this whole range here and fill this wick here, and then I would wait maybe off the 1 hour. If it does happen during the first hour, I would probably see if we get a closure below here, but still have to wait and see. Should be seeing some volume soon though. We're gonna get some volume here. That it? Was that the bottom wick then? We're gonna make a steeper wick. I'm going for the top of this range right here. Going for that quick. All right, Chad. I'm gonna have buy stops here. at the break of this previous 4-hour high. So our entry would be about 2300.50. Yeah, get that position ready for myself. And our stops are going to be just below the previous 4-hour lows. So right around, yeah. So yeah, it'll be right below the previous 4-hour lows, around that 2296.35. Let me set that up exact. That way there's no... 2296.35. Oh, sorry, profit. My bad. 12 target and 2296 point. Let's say 35 here. That's my stop loss, 2296.35. Oh, you know what? I'll leave it at 2296 even. I'll risk those extra 3 pips there. That's if we break the highs after making this bottom wick here. If we flip up and take out the previous 4-hour highs, we should drive up, even if it's to grab this wick fill here, which would be about a 30 pip move. So we'll be break even by then anyway. So let's see what happens. Then I'm targeting this wick high up here. But if we drive down and take out the lows and we drive down, then I'll delete the buy stop. See, we'll get activated here. We'll be patient and wait. If we drive down, it's all good. It's all good. I'm just basing it off the previous 4-hour closing bullish, forming this little support level right here. And, you know, gold might want to make a correction to this big move down, especially after rejecting the support level here. Came and wicked down here, and wicked up. So then this candle closed bearish. Now we might start seeing some bullish movement, at least to come up and eat up half the range right around this level here. Like I said, 2311, 2312. We'll see. Let's see if it's going to spike up. I'm also banking on, you know, the volume that kicks in usually around this time. So that volume might drive us up. No, Chad, I'm not activated yet. Not yet. I'm waiting for the break of the previous 4-hour highs. mark this level. I'm taking partials here at 30 pips, 32 pips. Like this. And I'll be going break even there as well. See, we have to break the highs first. We already got a bottom wick here. So we made our bottom wick here. We flipped and take out the previous highs. Like I said, that should continue to drive up. At least to grab this wick fill here. we're almost, let me see. We're gonna break the 1 hour lows, or did we break it? No, not yet. We might come down and re-break the 1 hour lows, previous 1 hour lows. Let's see. If it drives down, no big deal. But if we do re-break the 4 hour highs here, if we reflip bullish and take out the highs, we're definitely coming up. I'll wait. Like I said, if we take out the previous 4 hour lows, I'll delete the buy stop and then wait to see what it's going to do if it reaches down at this level here. We'll look for an entry if there's enough time. Waiting for the volume to kick in. Not a lot of volume right now. Usually it'll kick in by 9:30, I would assume. Patience, chat, patience. We're not activated yet. I know you guys are asking, but again, I'll repeat it. The previous 4 hour closed bullish. We have this top wick here. New 4 hour came down, made a bottom wick. Now waiting for the reflip. If we flip bullish and take out the previous 4 hour highs, should activate us here at our entry and then drive up. This is where I'm taking partials and going break even as well here at this level at this wick fill, and then we'll hold a runner. See if we fill the rest of the range up here to our TP. If we do flip bearish before getting activated, of course, and we take out the previous 4 hour lows, then I'll delete the buy stop. Give me a second, chat. Let me. I want to go grab something to drink. I'll be right back, guys. Be right back. All right, chat. Ooh, we were coming up here, but no activation yet, guys. No activation yet. I'm wondering if this was the bottom wick and then we're gonna get the flip up. No activation yet, guys. No activation. It's a buy stop order. We haven't been activated yet, so waiting for the break of the previous 4-hour highs to activate our trade. If we re-break these 1-hour lows here, if we re-break the lows, might consider deleting this buy stop here. It already came down, made this bottom wick, took out the previous 1-hour lows, but we haven't flipped to break the highs of the previous 1 hour yet. So I'll wait and see. We got 20 minutes on this candle. Let's wait and see. I want to break out of that flag pattern I mentioned earlier. Let me just mark it up here just to have it on the screen. So we have that, and we have on the low. So we're kind of in this triangular pattern. I mean, if we come down and break the low, that would already be the break of the previous 4 hour. And again, at that point, I might be even looking for sells and maybe catch the rest of the range down here. But let's see. This could have been the bottom wick and then flip up. build the lows here again. Guys, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete the sell, the buy stop here. I'm gonna delete that for the current time. Let's wait to see, because it looks like we're gonna drive down after making this top wick. If we break the previous 4 hour lows, we might be coming down. Might have a sell stop here, guys. It came down pretty heavy, but We're here on the open. We failed to break the previous 4-hour highs here. If we would have broken that, that means the market would have probably pushed up. At least it grabbed this wick up here. But now we flipped after making this top wick, and we just tapped the lows there, but we didn't break them. But if we come down and we break the lows, it will get activated here, and then we should get the drive now. I got my stops just above the current 4-hour highs here. Small risk. This candle could flip bullish. Now it came down, tapped right here. It could flip bullish, and then that buy stop could play out. So again, we have to make the adjustments, you know, as the market is moving. But right now, it's either the break of the previous 4-hour highs to drive up, or we're gonna break the previous 4-hour lows and then drive down. That's where we're at here. I'm just trying to have our positions ready. It looks like the market wants to drive down. Yeah, wait these 5 minutes off the 1 hour to see if we're gonna get this activation, but we're gonna get activated. Probably gonna take longer than expected, so I'll definitely call it a stream at that point. That's my time, but I think this is gonna play out here. This, and we might even close below and break. If we break, like I said earlier, you know, we're coming down. You know, first target will be down here, 2288, which is the weekly lows. Let's see. Let's see. Came close to getting activated there, but no activation. And we got 15 seconds left on this candle. I don't think we're going to get activated here off the 1 hour. Might need a little more time. Yeah. All right. Well, we did close bearish on this 1 hour, and we closed below this 1 hour low. Let's see if I'll wait another 15 minutes and see. We get activated in 15 minutes. You might make a top wick here and then flip. This is good. We came up, make that top wick first, and then we made the top wick, and then we flip. Now we got to take out the previous 1 hour lows, which is about the same. So we'll get activated there and then get the drive down on this new candle here. Let's see. Fail to break the highs here, and then fail to break the lows here. It's just kind of ranging in that. I'll wait another 10 minutes, see how it does. pushing up here. Gonna break the highs now. We'll go back to the 4-hour. Ooh, it's flipping bullish. Wow, those buy stops might play out up here. Break above. Yeah, it came down and tapped the lows of the previous 4-hour and then flipped up. Turned bullish momentarily there. This thing could be looking to flip, guys. I think our initial setup with the buy stop might be in play here. Again, it's what I tell you that you know, we have to adjust. You know, if the market refuses to take out the lows, for example, in this case, then you know, we delete our position and then we wait to see if we're gonna get the break of the highs. You know, and we have to make those adjustments when we're trading. You know, because we know what we're looking for. You know, we're looking for the break of the highs here or the break of the lows here. So whichever one the market does, then we can get in and execute that trade. But we'll have to wait and see. That's that buy stop again, just in case it decides to pull up. I want to get activated. We're going up. All right, guys, I'm on for another 3 minutes. Let's see if we don't get activated on either trade. Yeah, that we'll definitely call it a night. Looks like it's gonna just range. It might take a lot longer to either take out the highs or re-break the lows here. So we're just gonna have to wait. If we get activated, I'll stay on. I'll stay on through the trade. Uh, and see the results, and then when to close and stuff like that. But if we fail to get activated in the next 2 minutes, I'm calling it a stream. And it's pushing down here. It's just stuck here in this middle. Has this resistance, minor resistance level here, but just can't push up and take out the highs. Not enough volume. Came down and retested the lows, but didn't break them. Here we didn't even come up and retap. We failed to break them. And it is what it is, gang. Doesn't look like we're gonna get activated on stream tonight. Yeah. All right. I'll get rid of these for now. Yeah, gang. Yep. Didn't break the highs. Didn't break the lows. That's what it is. So, yeah, that's all I got for tonight, guys. I was hoping we can have volume help us either push us up or push us down, and we were ready to take our entries and make our profits, but the market's pretty much dead tonight. So it is what it is, right? No trade night, so we're good with that. We got to be good with that, and we'll get back on the horse tomorrow. For my platform members on the ChecoForex Signal platform, we will be trading the New York session tomorrow, so just be ready to make some money tomorrow. And yeah, I'll be back for the Asia session on live stream tomorrow. And thank you all for tuning in, for hanging out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.